Hello everybody, this is Mustafa. I have here a Yamaha scooter, and this engine is two-stroke engine. Does not have a transmission, but has an automatic transmission. I'm gonna explain how the transmission works. Normally you have a pulley here, a drive pulley, and you have another pulley attached to the wheel. Here is the drive pulley, here is the driven pulley. By changing the diameter where the belt sits, you can change the speed. So normally the front pulley has two flanges. One of these flanges is moving. When you move the flange to the right, now you're gonna have a small diameter for the belt. When you move this flange to the left, you're gonna have bigger diameter. That's how we change the diameter. Here is the drive pulley, here is the driven, and now at high speed you're gonna have the drive pulley has bigger diameter and the driven pulley has a smaller diameter. So let's see that setup here on the bike. So I'm gonna take this cover off to show you those two pulleys. Here is the drive pulley, which is coming from the engine. Here the cylinder, and you have the starter here. Here is the drive pulley, and here is the driven pulley. Normally in the back, this one works by centrifugal weight, so you have to have certain speed in this belt so the back pulley can engage with the wheel. I'm gonna take this one off so I can show you these two pieces, the two flanges. So this flange does not move. The one that moves is this flange. I'm gonna be careful because I have to. You have rollers inside, so you have to try to get the whole thing out. These are the rollers, and you can see they are moving on a ramp. These rollers will make the whole flange comes out and goes back in. That's how we change the diameter where the belt sits. So how this one works, that is the drive pulley. So you have here 6 rollers there. And when they come out, they gotta push this flange to get closer to the other flange, and by doing that you get bigger diameter in the front. How about the back one here? The back one, you have this flange that moves. So at low speed you have small diameter here, and then you have the big diameter. At high speed you have big diameter in the front and you have small diameter in the back. As you can see here, you have scenario A and scenario B. The scenario A, for example, is 3-to-1, means that the drive pulley is going to spin 3 times to make the driven pulley spin one turn. In scenario B, that's the high speed. The front pulley the driven one has bigger diameter, and the back one has small diameter. So the ratio is 0.3 to 1. Means what? Means the front pulley is gonna spend 1/3 of the turn to give one turn to the back one. I'm gonna take this off to show you something else. What I want to show you here is the centrifugal weight. That is the centrifugal weight. You have two of them, and here you have the friction material. When the centrifugal weight comes out, it's going to engage with the rotor, which is part of the mechanism that gives the motion to the rear wheel. This wheel is, you have some gears here. Those gears are reduction gears, and you need oil to lubricate these gears. And here is to add oil. And normally, if you wanna drain the oil, so there's a plug down here to drain the oil. To put everything back, the pulleys, the rotor, the belt. So we're gonna put the rotor on the back mechanism. And the belt goes, as you can see here, the pulley. The two flanges are close to each other, so the belt will set on bigger diameter.